I'm Katie Patterson, Director of Enrollment Management at St. Thomas's Day School. Normally, we would love to have you here walking our halls, exploring our classrooms, and having conversations with our students and faculty. Unfortunately, for the safety of everybody, we're not allowing visitors. But I took my phone, I walked around on a regular day, and took some snapshots to share with you. Nothing planned, nothing scripted, just a day of kids playing and learning. I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you'll explore St. Thomas's for fall of 2021.
Welcome to St. Thomas's Day School. We're so glad that you're here with us. Well, virtually anyway. This is the first floor of the main building, where grades 1 through 6 are housed. As we can see, this is grade 5, working. Here we have second grade, and if we were walking through the halls together, we would pop in and see what they're doing. Welcome to the gym. The gym is where the students have PE, where we also have student gatherings, town hall meetings, and where we show off our amazing plays. Welcome to the St. Thomas's Day School large playground. If you were standing with me right now, you would see second grade swinging from the monkey bars, playing football on the blue top, and just connecting with their peers. So I thought I would bring a little bit of playtime to you. Welcome to the kindergarten playground. As you can see, we have some kids eating snack, other kids running, climbing, and jumping. And if you were here, we would just stand off to the side and observe all the magic that happens here. Welcome to kindergarten. Each day, kindergarten starts off with a morning meeting. Messages, counting the days of school, talking about the weather, and everything else to come.